You guys both double bogeyed the first hole.
Yeah,
that was a very Serbian sneeze. God damn, very loud. It's colonizing. I mean, you guys get colonized, but you guys pretty much started World War One.
Yeah.
Shame on you.
It's our fault for defending ourselves.
Listen,
We can see his beauty in his true form.
the great golfers show emotion. Great golfers show emotion. I got mad. I blew up. What are you gonna do?
You think that's something Tiger Woods would say? Yeah, well, you got a double bogey on the first hole, so none of you guys should be proud of that. Neither you or you, okay? So you did not do very good on that hole. In the second hole, you got a par. You got a triple bogey. That was really bad, dude.
Yeah, no, I know.
No, I'm gonna quote actually Skylo, from the last episode. That was ass.
That was straight cheeks.
Cheeks. That was booty hole.
As someone who just got a triple bogey, I have no defense.
You're a butt pirate.
I have no fucking defense.
You are a booty man.